looking at the definition of both charges, they both prohibit and they penalize the commission of an intentional killing against another individual. The big difference between murder in the second degree and murder in the first degree is that murder in the first degree has specific aggravating circumstances that have to exist in order for the charge to get bumped up. The aggravating circumstances that must be present are a special status of the victim. The victim has to be a corrections officer, a police officer, an EMT, a firefighter, a judge, or a witness in a criminal proceeding where the purpose of the murder is to prevent that witness from testifying or as retribution for testifying. The other aggravating circumstance that could be present is if there is more than one individual that is killed during the commission of the homicide. That also bumps it up from murder in the second to murder in the first. If the killing is done in an unusually cruel or wanton manner, that's what the statute says, you can also get bumped up from murder 2 to murder 1. We're typically talking about some sort of torture. Or if murder happens as part of some sort of terroristic act, you also get bumped up from murder 2 to murder 1. And there's actually a provision that says that the murders could have been committed in separate criminal transactions, but they do have to be within 24 months of each other. So you could do a murder on January 1st, and you could do a murder 6 months later on June 1st, and you could be charged with murder in the first degree just because there's 2 homicides that are done within 24 months of each other. You could also be charged with murder in the first degree if it's called felony murder, meaning you are engaging in a designated felony. Usually we're talking about robberies, kidnappings, burglaries, something really violent. And as a result of the commission of the felony or a murder happens, that also bumps you up from second degree to first degree. Absent having these aggravated circumstances, the usual murder in the state of New York is charged out as murder in the second degree.